How's it going? It's Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking at Aliso School here in Carpinteria, California. I spoke to the kindergartners all the way up through 5th grade today, and it was just a beautiful couple of programs. The main focus was on anti-bullying, looking at someone's heart before anything else first, but so many students came up to me after the talks and just said, that they're experiencing a loss in their life, or a best friend that they used to be friends with, but when they move to a new school, they don't really stay in touch as long, or as often. Just whatever it was going on in their hearts, even at a young age, we got to talk through it, and we cried through some of it too. But like I always say, tears are strength. They're the sweat of our strength, at the start of healing and feeling again. And for us to finally get past, some of that pain, we moved from being hurt people who hurt people to healed people who heal people. One of the main concepts that I talk about. And this helps us finally be all in for this planet, to show that kindness, show that empathy, show that compassion and respect, and see everybody like we see our best friend. As one race human, like the shirt says here, we see everybody around us as human beings before anything else, and we also see our worth, but also theirs too. The M on all of our palms for miracle, the W upside down for worthy, that we always make it a point to know our own value and that we are good enough, and that now once we believe that, we can go help other people see that they're great enough too, by including them, by realizing that no matter how they're born, if they walk different, talk different, see different, hear different, learn different skin color, whatever their backgrounds, we can still show that same love that we would show someone that's the closest to us. Treat them like they're worth a full $20. One of the examples I always talk about is crumpling up a $20 bill, and it's still worth $20 no matter how it looks or what shape it's in. But when it comes to people that look different, we aren't always as quick to accept. So moving past those judgments and starting to accept, starting to be more tolerant of other cultures and different people around us, is how we start to heal this planet, how we start to make it a more loving and kind and caring place. So thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon here in sunny California. You guys are all beautiful. You guys touch my heart. I will never forget you. Thank you again for the opportunity. Until then, much love. Peace.